Today we're going to make a super viral thumbnail for a long-form lo-fi chill beats video for YouTube. The theme will be cozy coffee shop vibes, and we'll be using 4 simple tools that are all in the browser. Midjourney for the background image, Ideogram for the logo, Picsart to make the logo transparent, and then finally Canva to piece it all together. Optionally, there is a 5th tool for upscaling the image called Magnific, but it's a paid tool which won't be essential, but it does add a real nice sheen to the overall result. First, log into your Midjourney account from their website and navigate to the Explore tab. From here, click the search up in the right and search for the keyword fractal. Almost any of these will do, so I'm going to pick this one. This will really just serve as the bones for our coffee shop image, as you'll see in a moment, so the colors and style don't matter all that much. Once you've saved this picture to your computer, head on over to the Midjourney Editor tab, click the yellow Edit Uploaded Image button, and open the fractal picture we just saved. Then hit the Retexture tab in the upper left, and in the top prompting bar, type out Photorealistic Coffee Shop, and click Submit Retexture. In a few moments, you'll see some fascinating adaptations Midjourney made by taking the underlying structure of your fractals image and essentially painting over it with your new coffee shop premise. Very unique for sure. Now with this generated, click the Edit tab in the upper left. Down where it says Aspect Ratio, choose 16:9 since that's the size of our YouTube thumbnail. Then up in the prompt box, hit Submit Edit. In just a moment, we'll have a widescreen version of our coffee shop picture, which is great. Once this has fully generated, choose the variation you're happy with on the right, and then click Download Image in the bottom left corner. Now for the optional step. Let's make this image shine even more using Magnific. This is a paid online subscription service, so assuming you've already signed up for a basic plan, head on over to Magnific.ai/editor. Now from here, click Magnific Upscaler, and then drag your coffee shop image over onto the input image box. Then down in the prompt box, simply type Cozy Coffee Shop. Set the sliders below to the following: Creativity at 2, HDR at 1, Resemblance at -1, and Fractality at 2. Without going into a full-blown breakdown of Magnific, just understand that these settings allow Magnific to get just a little more creative than normal when upscaling our shot. Trust me, it's gonna look great. Finally, click Upscale and watch the magic happen. Once done, not only will the image have doubled in resolution, but the actual details will have been greatly enhanced. This added level of clarity will really put our thumbnail over the top. So once your generation completes, click the download arrow in the upper left corner of the image and click PNG 100% quality. Great, so we're all set with our background image then. We'll need to make a logo for the thumbnail now. Head on over to Ideogram.ai and sign up for a free account. You can pay for higher priority generations, but the free plan should get you by just fine for this exercise. Once logged into your account, click the prompting box at the top and type Cozy Coffee Shop logo, comma, and then in quotations type Lo-Fi Coffee Vibes, comma, white text on a solid black background, and click Generate. All of the default settings should be fine for this run. In just a few seconds, you'll have 4 interesting logos to choose from down in the bottom right corner. Once done, click your new selections and choose your favorite. Try and land on one that has a plain or solid background so that we can easily remove its background in a few minutes. Right-click the one you like and save it. Now, head over to the Picsart background remover link in the description. Once here, click the purple Browse Files button to select the logo you just saved. Now, click Download and choose the low-res version. The HD version requires a paid plan, but this won't be necessary for our needs today. The low-res version will still be more than big enough for our needs. Finally, head on over to Canva.com. On the Canva homepage, click Create Design on the left. This should be a big purple button. Go down to Custom Size and enter 1280 for the width and 720 for the height. These are the standard pixel dimensions for YouTube thumbnails, so this should do just fine. Click Create New Design. Start by finding the Magnific upscaled image that you saved on your computer and drag it into this blank canvas. Click and drag the bounding box until it stretches to fit the entire size of your canvas. It should be a perfect fit, but if it goes a little outside of the bounds, that's fine too. It's unnoticeable. Now, find your logo file with the removed background and drag that onto this canvas as well. Make sure it's nicely centered. Then with it still selected, click the Edit button in the top bar. Under Effects, click Shadows, and then select the Outline option. Drag the size slider over to the right all the way to give our logo a thick stroke that will clearly separate it from the backdrop. Then click the color circle beneath that and choose a color that appears to complement the color scheme in the background. This is where you'll need to get a little bit creative, so use your best discretion. Once you're happy with the final look, click the Share button in the upper right corner, then click Download. And once you're satisfied with the download settings, click the purple Download button. Ensure that the download size is still set to 1280 by 720 so that it's the right size for YouTube. And that's it. In just a few short minutes, you generated a complex YouTube thumbnail that previous to AI would have taken a much longer time to finish. Welcome to the future. If you found this walkthrough valuable, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing to my page for more tutorials just like this one. Your support really does mean the world to me. Take it easy.